All right, guys, I am back and I'm going to show you guys kind of what I'm going to be doing for the second half of September for my organization goals. So I want to go through all of this. This is all just organizing stuff and really see if I'm going to use it and yeah, just see if I'm gonna even use it. So my goal this month is to finish putting this stuff away, and then I do want to add some tags to my really cute what are these photo boxes, and just put them, like, organize them a little bit better so I'll be able to see. I have this over here, which is all of my embellishments, and I want to put names on it. I started to put names on, I moved my, what are these things called? Oh my goodness, I'm drawing a blank. Wood veneers. There we go. So I moved my wood veneers into here and I actually labeled them, and they are perfect the way that I have them. So I want to do that for each one of these, and then I think I'm gonna go through this right here. This is my vinyl, and I think what I'm gonna do is cut these down into 12 by 12s because obviously I can't use the big mat, and then like put them somewhere, either over here or just anywhere. So I really want to cut those down and then do something with my felt. Either put it in another, I have some more boxes, so I might put it in boxes, and I might actually put my vinyl in boxes too, if it'll fit. I don't know. We'll see. But I definitely want to get rid of this bin and put 2 of these over here, so that way it looks kind of nice and neat. So main goals: get rid of these, put labels on all of my bins, and then clean out that bin and organize it a little bit better. And I also have these bins that I want to put what they are inside each one, and those as well. So labeling is going to be what I'm going to be working on so far, and that is my organization goal for the end of this month. So I hope you guys all enjoy, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!